gift certificate for $50 and they've only made 25 so far? That's free money. I'm a magician. That's your only way. You gotta go big. Or you can be friends with me. I know lots of magicians. No, that's how it works. It's math. Look at this. It's heat in an ocean. Don't you want to own it? Are we going to start bidding?
Buys it. So seriously, Ouch is a guy who's worked with Audi, Mercedes, large brands. We're gonna get crazy media exposure, all the things we'll do, right? And then after that, we're gonna do a big right now to actually buy a one-of-a-one right now. So at least, Allie, I give us.
If you don't bid right now, you're a broke bitch and we don't respect you. Okay, we have 2 for $650, so one of you has to go for 700. 700. Who wants to go higher than 700? Oh, what do we want? The new sexiest man in the room. Who wants to be sexier than this man? Or at least show off your money. It's one, the other, maybe both. We're at 1,000. Do I hear 1,100? And then nearly double.
Right to here.
So, do I hear 1,900? Do I hear 2,000? Do I hear 1,801?
Customs will be okay.